Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this H1 rear roller bar extension from Vantech installed here on our GMC Savana van. As you can see, this is a roller bar that sits at the rear of the vehicle, so you can simply lean a ladder up against it and load it onto your crossbars. Now, this comes as a kit. It's kind of a vehicle specific solution because you're going to have a different length little extension bracket right here and a different width roller bar depending on your particular vehicle. So it is vehicle specific, but our installation here on the GMC Savana, you can see we're just tying into the eye holes in this rear crossbar upright that exists already right there. You get these bolts in the kit, you get this in the kit, and then you get the roller bar right here. Installation super simple. You're just putting in 2 bolts over here, 2 bolts over there, and then you're using a little pin to secure your roller bar in the back. This is all aluminum. So this is aluminum here, you got stainless steel hardware here. It's gonna work with both the steel and the aluminum versions of the H1 crossbar rack. Depending on the vehicle that you're buying it for, you may need to use one of these little feet. It just depends on where your rear crossbar sits on the van, and that's going to depend on the mounting location from the factory on that particular van. And in some cases you're just gonna have a little foot that's gonna stick through one of these. It's gonna sit on the roof of the van just to give it some support, and so it's not gonna sag and accidentally come in contact with the van or something like that. Got a little rubber pad around here so it's not gonna scratch up the top of your van or anything like that. Now in the GMC Savana, because it is a gutter mount ladder rack, we have adjustment on where this rear crossbar sits. So depending on where it sits, you may use different holes. Again, you're gonna wanna line this up so that when you lean a ladder up against it, you're not gonna accidentally hit the top corner of the vehicle. But you also wanna make sure that it's not too far out so it doesn't become kind of a barrier for getting into the back of the van and things like that. So this is a super easy, super inexpensive way to upgrade your H1 ladder rack with this rear roller bar. You can get this in either the matching white color or the black color, depending on the rack that you have installed on your van. You're gonna want black or white. Now, this is a pretty easy, pretty inexpensive upgrade for your H1 system to just make loading ladders easier on your ladder rack. If you're looking for this H1 roller extension, the H1 crossbars, or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, check us out at upfitsupply.com. We have what you need. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.